Hey guys, welcome back to Kingna. In today's video, we're going to check out 10 classic cars that could be your next project, all under $3,000. Whether you're into muscle cars, wagons, or sports cars, there's something here for you. Let's dive in and take a look at these awesome rides. One, 1973 Ford Mustang Coupe, two-door. Located in Spencer, New York, $2,750. Kicking things off is a 1973 Ford Mustang, an iconic piece of American muscle. This coupe runs and moves, but it could use some TLC. It comes with a new gas tank, sending unit, and fuel pump, plus newer tires. The brakes need to be bled, and the car will require some frame rail repairs. But here's the cool part, it's still rocking its original green-on-green color scheme, giving it that vintage charm. You could drive it as is or take it to the next level with a full restoration. The seller is even willing to swap the original wheels back on if you want to lower the price a bit. This could be your chance to own a classic Mustang for just $2,750. Two, 1964 Ford Galaxy XL, located in Auburn Hills, Michigan, $2,000. Next up, we've got a 1964 Ford Galaxy XL. This car comes with a 352 Ford automatic engine, and it looks absolutely menacing in blacks. That the seller drove it for about a month before it developed some issues, including a possible spun bearing and rust on the frame. It's also leaking fluids, so there's some work ahead. But if you're up for an LS swap or just want to take on a restoration, this Galaxy has tons of potential. Priced at $2,000, it's a project car that could be turned into something spectacular. (1983) AMC Concord Wagon. Located in Terre Haute, Indiana, $2,800. This 1983 AMC Concord Wagon is perfect for anyone into wagons with character. It has a rebuilt transmission, new tires, and very little rust. The engine is running but weak, so don't plan any long-distance drives just yet. Plus, the hood won't close properly because the aftermarket radiator cap is getting in the way. It's a cool, quirky project car, and at $2,800, it's ready for someone to give it a little love and make it roadworthy. Four, 1977 Chevrolet Caprice Classic four-door, located in Greensboro, Alabama, $2,500. This 1977 Chevrolet Caprice Classic is a running project that's loaded with potential. It comes with a 350 engine and a turbo 350 transmission, but the car needs some work inside and out. If you're into big American sedans, this one could be a great restoration project. At $2,500 firm, the price is right for someone looking to bring this classic back to life. Five, 1966 Pontiac Star Chief, located in Cuyahoga Falls, Ohio, $2,500. Here's a 1966 Pontiac Star Chief, another great project car. It runs and drives, and the seller mentions it has a lot of new parts. The price is firm at $2,500, and while it may not be the flashiest car on the list, it's a solid choice for anyone looking to restore a big classic Pontiac. Check it out in person if you're nearby and see if it's the right fit for your garage. 1953 Ford wagon, located in Binghamton, New York, $2,500. This one's a gem, a 1953 Ford wagon that's been sitting in a barn since 1972. It runs and shifts through all gears and has a lot of potential. The car comes with new rocker panels, bumpers, and a hood, but it will need new floors. For $2,500, you're also getting a piece of history, as it's a one-owner car. If you're looking for a vintage wagon to restore, this one is worth considering. AL7, 1985 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe, located in Ironton, Ohio. Yes, you read that right. This 1985 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe is listed for... It's a T-top model that could be an awesome project. The motor turns over, but it won't start just yet, so it'll need to be towed. The seller is looking to trade, possibly for a third-gen Camaro or other older sports cars or trucks. If you've got the skills to get this Corvette running again, you might be able to grab it for nothing. FRA 8, 1985 Chevrolet Camaro IROC Z, located in Findlay, Ohio, $2,500. Here's another 80s icon, the 1985 Chevrolet Camaro IROC Z. This project car has a small block Chevy engine, but it only shifts through first, second gear, and reverse. The good news, the seller is throwing in another transmission with the car. If you're a fan of the IROC Z and looking for a fun project, this Camaro could be yours for $2,500. Nine, 1976 Chevrolet Vega hatchback, located in Central City, Kentucky, $2,500. The 1976 Chevrolet Vega is a rare find, especially in this condition. It runs and drives, and the interior is decent, making it a good candidate for a full restoration or a custom build. The seller has the title in hand and is only selling it because they have too many projects. For $2,500, this Vega could be your next big project. Ten, 1976 Cadillac Seville sedan 4-door, located in Xenia, Ohio, $2,500. Finally, we have a 1976 Cadillac Seville. This one has a 350 engine that runs off an external gas tank, and while it's not currently roadworthy, the car is solid underneath. The transmission works in first gear and reverse, and the seller has a parts car if you need extra pieces. If you're a fan of classic Cadillacs, this could be a great project car for $2,500. And there you have it, 10 incredible classic cars under $3,000. Which one would you take on as your next project? Drop a comment below and let us know. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Kingna for more awesome car content. See you next time.